In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to reach the team, what to include in your message, and how to send it so you can get help fast. First, open your browser and go to app.jasper.ai. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Once you're in, you should land on the home area of Jasper. This is your main dashboard, and it's the best place to start because all the key navigation lives here. Give the page a moment to load so the sidebar elements appear. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find Contact Support. It lives in the left sidebar along with your other navigation options. Click Contact Support to open the Help panel. This takes you directly into Jasper's support experience, so you don't have to leave the app or hunt around for a separate help site. Inside the support panel, choose Start New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation thread. You may see a brief greeting or some suggested topics. That's normal. Starting a new chat ensures your question is tracked from the beginning and routed to the right place. Now it's time to type your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you need. A helpful message might include what you were trying to do, what happened instead, any exact error messages you saw, and when it occurred. If the issue is tied to a particular document or project, mention its title so the team can find it quickly. If you've already tried a few troubleshooting steps, list those too, so support doesn't recommend the same things again. Keep security in mind here. Don't paste passwords, payment details, or any private keys. If a screenshot would clarify the problem, you can note that you have one ready to share if the agent requests it. When your message looks good, send it. You can click the send button in the chat window or press enter on your keyboard. You should see your message appear in the thread, and in many cases, you'll get an automated acknowledgement right away. If you need to add more context or answer follow-up questions, just continue typing in the same chat. For best results, keep the conversation in one thread so the history stays together. That's all there is to it. Open Jasper, click Contact Support on the left, start a new chat, type your prompt with the right details, and send. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need quickly.